What's up guys, it's your favorite Pick Instant back with another cool video for all of us. Today's video is on the top 5 best vacuum sealers for liquids. It may be challenging to identify the most cost-effective products when purchasing various goods. I narrowed down hundreds of products based on a few standards and ranked them in this video to make your decision easier. These are just some of my favorite items that I use on a regular basis. So sit back and relax while I tell you about these amazing pieces of products. Please do check the product link in the description box below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So without any delay, let's get started. Number 5. FoodSaver. If you are tired of food wastage because it spoils after a while, then you need to get the FoodSaver V4840. The machine features an automatic heat seal, which makes it easy to operate. Also included is a retractable manual sealer that allows the machine to seal a wide range of containers. Whether you want to do bottle sealing or jar sealing, this model will get the job done. This vacuum sealer offers a customized suction and features an automatic moisture detector to prevent penetration of air. You can depend on this machine to preserve your liquids for longer as it gets rid of any air. After sealing, remove the washable dish tray. As you can see, you will have an easy time eliminating any dirt and keeping your machine clean. The best thing about this drip tray is that it is spill-proof and is easy to remove from the sealer. And since it is UL and ETL certified, you can depend on it for an excellent and high-quality performance. The package includes a 2-gallon vacuum sealer bag, vacuum seal roll, and 2-gallon sealer bags. Number 4. Westinghouse Pro. Westinghouse Pro 2300 is a heavy-duty vacuum sealer for liquids and is ideal for both home and commercial use. This is one of the largest vacuum sealers in the market today, meaning it can handle anything. Featuring a 15-inch long bar, this model can seal up to 2 bags simultaneously. Furthermore, it is equipped with a double piston pump, which makes the sealing process faster and more efficient. Using the Westinghouse Pro 2300 is easy. Although it is an automatic vacuum sealer for liquids, this model also has manual settings. This makes it easy, especially for beginners, to use the sealer according to your preferences. This machine is made from tough stainless steel materials, which makes it durable and reliable. Since the lid is transparent, you can easily track your liquid's progress during the sealing process. The fan-cooled motor included in the device allows you to use it for a long time. After sealing, it only takes 20 seconds to cool down. Weighing around 22 pounds, this machine is on the heavier side, but this can be overlooked given the high performance it provides. Number 3. VacMaster. What makes the VacMaster VP215 a perfect vacuum sealer for your kitchen or small business is the small design, making it easy and convenient to store. However, this machine's most impressive thing is the rotary oil pump motor, which provides a more productive and quieter performance. Unlike other models, this one will not produce any annoying noise while sealing. The machine features a stainless steel body construction, meaning you use it for many years without any problem. Both the interior and exterior of this vacuum sealer are made from commercial-grade materials. With this model, you can prolong the life of your liquids up to 6 times longer. Besides that, you can use this machine to preserve any food and beverage. Maintaining the VacMaster VP215 is also easy, as all you need to do is clean it with a clean cloth and store it on your counter or cabinet. Most chambered vacuum sealers also use affordable bags, and this quality machine is no different. Number 2. NutriChef. Weighing only 2.9 pounds, the NutriChef PKVS18 is yet another lightweight and compact vacuum sealer for liquids. This machine will fit perfectly in any modern kitchen due to the aesthetically pleasing design. It enhances a minimalist and modern look on your kitchen countertop. But there is more to this machine than the beautiful and elegant look. It is fitted with touchscreen-style buttons, which makes it easy to use and control. This smart and sophisticated vacuum sealer provides one of the most reliable and fastest ways of preserving your drinks. Its small size makes it easy to carry around and a perfect machine for keeping your liquid cold when traveling. You will also love the two sealing modes, which preserves both moist and solid food. This one of the most affordable vacuum sealers for liquids despite the smart design and high-quality performance. The product comes with waterproof and reusable bags, which preserves the freshness and taste of your drinks and food. To keep your food safe and prevent bacteria buildup, ensure you clean this machine after use. Cleaning it is super easy since all you need to do is wipe it with a clean cloth. Number 1. Nesco vs. Whether you want to get your first vacuum sealer or want to upgrade from your previous model, the Nesco VS12 is worth considering. It is equipped with a double vacuum pump that provides excellent sealing and eliminates any air in the bag. With the dual seal option, you can trust this machine to preserve your drinks without worrying about leaks. Moreover, the model comes with a transparent lid, which allows you to see the sealing process and makes it easy to control. Another great thing about the transparent design at the top is that it makes it easy to position your bag correctly. Makes it stand out from the rest. It provides a double seal, moist and dry options for versatility. You can select the right setting depending on the type of liquid or food you are vacuum sealing. Then there is the built-in storage case that offers you a convenient place to keep your rolls and bags. With the built-in compartment, you will have more space on your countertop. Lastly, this machine works with all types of sealer bags. Okay, that's all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please tell us which products you'd like us to review next in the comments section, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the buy links of products featured today. Thank you.